charging the ignition, turn on to accessories, watch your airbag light. As soon as the airbag light starts to flash, which after about 6 seconds, turn off the ignition for 1 second. Then turn it straight back on, wait for that airbag light to disappear again. Turn it off, turn it back on. Wait 6 seconds. As soon as it goes off, turn off the ignition, turn it straight back on after 1 second. You do this 4 times. That should be the last one. Should go out. And start the car. There you go, guys. The airbag light is now off. Just put the seatbelt on so then that other light goes off the screen. There you go, guys. Nice and easy. I hope this has helped.